guys. I miss you guys so much, and I'm just gonna run through this video real quick. But this is the mixture with the citrine wax and the Versagel. I already heated it up and melted it, and I will link the video above that you can go and get the measurements for this mixture. I did one like a few months ago, so no need to worry or panic. And if you have any comments or questions or suggestions, you can just hit me up in the comments box below. Okay, so let's go ahead. I'm gonna add some of the polybutane into this mixture to thicken it up a bit because it's a little bit runny right here. And so yeah, let me go ahead and do that. But first I'm gonna be adding all of my carrier oils, and you know the oils that I use if you guys have been around for a while. That's the fractionated coconut oil. Then I'm gonna be adding the grapeseed oil, and then I'm gonna be adding some vitamin E. I'm also gonna add some of the emollients like the hydrogenated polyisobutane and the octadodecanol. And I've been getting a lot of requests on the difference between the carrier oils and the essential oils and the emollients. So I am thinking about doing a video with that to explain it as best as I can for you guys. Okay, it's already in there, and as you can see, I'm giving it a nice stir and adding more as I go along. So it's coconut oil, grapeseed oil, vitamin E, and then I will be adding the emollients to this mixture. And like I told you earlier, they are the hydrogenated polyisobutane and the octadodecanol. I can't really pronounce that good, but everything will be listed or linked below for you guys. So next I'm going to be adding some lip liquid to this mixture. What I did was I added the honey, was it the honey, oh my gosh, I cannot even remember. It's the honey dioxide I think I mixed, and the titanium dioxide together to get this mixture this color. And as you can see, I just needed a little bit of it, and I think I'm going to be adding the yellow mica to this to just brighten it up a bit. But this lemon lava here, this is like, I think this is the exact color, but when I add the glitter, the color should change a bit, but nevertheless it came out perfect. That's the yellow mica powder right there. I'm gonna just put a dash in there to see how the color is gonna turn out. So yeah, that mixture that I was confused about was definitely the honey dioxide and the titanium dioxide. So I mixed it like a lip liquid. And remember, if you have been here for a while, I have videos also. You should see it linked somewhere above here on how to mix your how to go about doing lip liquid pigments rather. So you guys can go and check that video out also. So this is gloss. It's coming together really good. If you've been following me, you know I have been doing a lot of Fenty lip balms dupes, I should say. So I just love recreating them. And I added a little bit more of that yellow mica, as you can see, because like I told you earlier, when I add the glitter to this, the gold, it's gonna change the color a bit. So but nevertheless, we want to get as close as possible to that lemon lava color that's going on with the Fenty. But anyways, this is not a lip plumber rather, because I think that lemon lava is a lip plumber. So we're not gonna go through all of that. We just want to get that same glossy glittery smooth glide on lip gloss, and we'll deal with doing lip plumbers a little bit later, like in other videos. If you get what I'm saying. So yeah, right now we're focusing on just this lip gloss and how it best applies to our lips and how it's gonna look and what we can do with it as we wear it daily or on special occasions. So right there you saw me add the polyisobutene. No, I did not. I added the hydrogenated polyisobutene. So all of these names will be listed going across this screen when you're watching this video, okay? Yeah, so I also added the octadodecanol. Those are the emollients. I just love to add extra emollients in this, in all of my glosses rather. It makes them a bit softer because you know what emollients can do and what they do for the gloss. And like I said, I'm gonna do a video next time on all of those stuff, carriers, emollients and essential oils and stuff, like the difference between them. So I added a bit of lime oil in this. As you can see, it's the Little Loring's lime oil. I love their flavorings. You can pick those up also at Walmart. They have them in packs, or you can get them at Amazon. Yeah, so I add the lime oil in it just to complement the lemon lava. You know what I'm saying? So there you have it. I added the glitter. So as I go along, I could be like making it a little lighter, the color less lighter, thickening it up a little bit. This is what you can do when you're trying glosses. I'm just doing a trial here anyways before I go and make a batch of it to put on the website. So yeah, I'm gonna add some more polybutane in this. Polybutane rather. I'm gonna add some of that. That's the gloss base to thicken it up a bit, because we don't want it too runny. As I added the oils and emollients, it got a bit little runny. So we're just gonna thicken that up a little bit. So let me just mix this together thoroughly first. I am going to be adding a bit more of that glitter because this glitter is lip glitter, and it's very fine. I mean, it's made especially for the lip and it's very suitable, but I'm going to add a little bit more because that lemon lava, the glitter is clearly seen in it. So I'm just gonna be packing this with glitter, and because I'm gonna be adding more glitter, I'm gonna add more yellow as I just did, because like I said, it's gonna lose its color. It'll be more on the gold side and not that, you know, nice lemony yellow, if that's a word, side. I mean the lemony rather. So yeah, and I'm also going to thicken it up a bit because it is a bit runny, and I like my gloss consistency not to be this runny. As you have seen in my earlier lip gloss making videos, I don't do runny lip glosses. I like it just right, not too runny and not too stiff. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and mix all of this, and then I'll come back and do a lip swatch for you guys, and we'll see where we're getting from there. I am being really realistic here right now, so I wanted to try the glosses without the makeup, like a natural look, like an everyday look, like just being home and just trying on some makeup. And then at the end of this video, I did go ahead and I applied some light powder and foundation, and just to let you guys see how it would look with some makeup on. But yeah, so give me your opinion on this gloss. It's very shiny, smooth, and silky. It's not a lip plumber, but it did give me that plumbing effect. Okay, so you just look at it. It's so amazing, gorgeous, glittery, creamy, and it's exactly what I set out to achieve. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.